Acer's 15.6-inch Nitro 5 budget gaming laptop. Today we're doing it again. What's changed? Aside from the new Nitro being $30 cheaper, $669.99 at Best Buy for our test model, well, the 2018 rig had a quad-core Ryzen 5 2500U processor and barely managed 30 frames per second in 1080p gaming. This one has AMD's new Ryzen 5 4600H, a 6-core chip that's priced like an Intel Core i5 but slugs it out with Core i7 CPUs and approaches 60 FPS in top titles. Nitro 5 and Bravo 15 benefit from AMD's new Renoir CPU architecture. There's only so much Acer can do with a $330 lower price. Besides packing a 6-core Ryzen 5 versus an 8-core Ryzen 7, the Nitro 5 has 8 GB of memory versus 16 GB and a 256 GB rather than 512 GB NVMe solid-state drive. The Nitro is clad in black plastic with a red rear panel. Despite my complaints in past reviews of the system, the red on black keyboard lettering remains so low in contrast as to be illegible unless you're in direct sunlight or a pitch black room with the red keyboard backlight on full. You'll need to be a touch typist and can only guess at the function key shortcuts. Everything but biometrics. Nitro 5 has neither a face recognition webcam nor a fingerprint reader to let you skip passwords with Windows Hello. The 720p webcam is a typical laptop economy model that captures soft focus noisy shots. Audio doesn't get very loud, it'll fill a small room but isn't bad. Short on bass but clear and mellow. Battery rundown test. After fully recharging the laptop, we set up the machine in power save mode as opposed to balanced or high performance mode where available, and make a few other battery conserving tweaks in preparation for our unplugged video rundown test.